Hello, sweet friends. Welcome. Today, I have a home tour that is very special to my heart. It is excuse me, it is of my aunt and uncle's house and the work that they have put in. And my uncle has done all the work himself, and he has done such a good job. You go walking in that front door, and it has such a warm, homey, just wonderful feel to it. So there was a lot of things that I didn't even know he had done. I knew about the kitchen and some of the updates I had seen, but some of them I hadn't. So I was like, oh my gosh, what about this? What? Today I'm so excited to be able to share that with you. And not only has he done a wonderful job of being a contractor and upgrading and doing all these things, he's also quite the artist. So I will be sharing also furniture and lights that he has done. And then also there are quite a few paintings in there that he has done. So yeah, it's just a very special tour to me. And I am so grateful that they agreed to let me come and film it for all of you. So be sure to show them some love and let them know what a fantastic job they did on their house. They have just worked so hard and it looks so nice. So enough babbling on from me, and let's go get this tour started. Thanks so much for stopping by today. You've always been good at this. That looks great. You're definitely an artist, Uncle Gary.
Well, I bought that. I don't know.
Right, that's a apple butter thing.
I don't know where I got it from. Maybe I got it from you.
I made the fork and the rake.
Oh, now I love it. And the ceiling is just gorgeous.
I love it.
Yeah. Did you make the hall tree, Uncle Gary?
Oh,
Huh?
Did you make the hall
I
tree?
have some like
No, that was in Grandma's house.
This hall tree was?
Yeah, well, the door was.
Right, but you made it into a little bench?
Yeah, I made it as a pole,
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry.
There's a closet in
So cute.
See all this flooring in here?
No, I did. I noticed that first off.
That's the next door neighbor behind me.
Oh, that looks
How
cute.
cute.
I love this.
Now, I don't remember this stove being here. This must be something new you did.
I have sold for the last time. I can't see where the needle. Yeah, I don't see you.
And look at this one. Cute. And the ceiling. Oh, you took out the door.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right. I haven't seen that.
No, I haven't been here in a while. Now, that back door, was that always here? This one?
Well, originally it was. In the original house, it was a back door, but they closed it in. I've got the largest cookie jar that you've ever seen. Renee made me that last year. I can put a cake.
That is so cute. Oh, this is cute too. Look at that.
This ceiling is, I call it the Brendan Miles Hopper ceiling. It's the fence they had around her pool.
Oh, yeah.
So I said I named it after her.
Well, that looks so good. And I love all these lights he's made. love this stove. It's a shame that this stove can't get like working order.
You know, Grandpa and I were gonna fix it after we got it.
Uh-huh.
You know, it come from your house.
Yeah, I made just about every
I
one of them.
have, and I ran off and forgot I even had it sitting out. I have a reproduction dough box if you
Oh,
want
really?
it. Yeah, the wooden,
Yes.
the thing. Okay, well, I'll bring it
I
back
have-
by.
Yeah, that's something I've been wanting.
You're
It's
on
not
there?
an old one, but it looks
I don't care
old.
if it's old or not. Those are cute. Now that salt shaker, that's Grandma Rain's.
Oh.
And that cup up there is Grandpa's.
All right, Uncle Gary, did you make this big piece, or is this an old carpenter's type table?
It's Paula's father-in-law's. He made it. He had it in his workshop.
Yeah,
And
it's
so she wanted
excellent.
to get rid of it, so we sanded it down a little bit and cleaned it. And I said, I don't want to take everything off of it.
No.
That's where I keep all my things I use all the time. I saw
No, I like it.
a show where a chef.
You probably cook more than me.
That's a real wooden stove.
Well, that witch above the sink. Mom gave me that. She said, you'll never have any failures in the kitchen. That's all I ever have. So it doesn't work.
You'll notice she didn't give me one.
I like that dough board, that board on there too. That's super cute. And then your sink. Cute. Definitely prim rustic. And then that's my grandpa. My uncle has done all this work himself. All these lights he's made. Went over to film my aunt's house. My cousin Paula had left me a couple of straw hats. I don't have one with a green ribbon on the. There's that one, and then this one's got the brown. So thank you, Paula. I really appreciate it.